Everyone thinks the best-selling full-face snorkel mask is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Chingsong Full-Face Snorkel Mask. First up is the Chingsong Full-Face Snorkel Mask, priced at $44.99. What caught my eye was its 180-degree panoramic view, which is a game-changer for experiencing underwater scenery. If you want a mask that offers a comfortable breathing experience through both your nose and mouth, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Chingsong mask's anti-fog and anti-leak features are designed to keep your view clear and your face dry. It has separate inhaling and exhaling channels to prevent fogging, which honestly surprised me because fogging can ruin your snorkeling experience. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 9,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. Now some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for larger faces. Here's the thing though, if you're average-sized or smaller, you'll probably find it pretty comfortable. This mask is perfect for beginners looking for an easy-to-use option without the hassle of traditional gear. Skip this one if you have a larger face or prefer a more traditional snorkeling mask fit. But for the price and the features, it's a solid value. Now, if the snug fit of the Chingsong mask is a concern, the next one might actually be even better for maximizing comfort. Product number 2, Seaview 180 V3 Full Face Snorkel Mask. Next up is the Seaview 180 V3, retailing for $69.99. This mask boasts a unique design that focuses on comfort, with claims of up to 600% easier breathing compared to other models. If you want the freedom to breathe comfortably while taking in the underwater sights, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Flowtech air intake system features 2 chambers and 4 intake valves, meaning fresh air circulates while you snorkel. This design really caught my attention. It's engineered for safety and efficacy, which is reassuring for first-time snorkelers. The 4.5-star rating from over 2,300 reviews speaks volumes about its popularity and reliability. But I'll be real with you, if you prioritize breathing comfort and visibility over a lightweight design, the Seaview can be a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, user-friendly mask. Skip it if you're looking for something ultralight or if you prioritize portability. For the features and comfort level, it's well worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious snorkelers. Product number 3, Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask. Now let's talk about the Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask, priced at a wallet-friendly $28.38. What caught my attention was its foldable design and its dry top system, which really sets it apart from other masks. If you want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a look. The G2 features a panoramic view that helps you see everything without distortion, and the dry top system prevents water from entering the mask. This is crucial for a pleasant experience. Nobody wants to be gulping down seawater while trying to explore. With an impressive 4.5-star rating from 15,500 reviews, it's clearly a crowd favorite. It's designed for easy breathing, which is especially helpful for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning to use a camera often, this might not be a deal breaker at all. Plus, at this price point, it's hard to complain too much. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid mask that won't break the bank. Skip it if you're a serious underwater photographer looking for top-tier durability. For the value, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the budget aspect is what you're after, the next product is a great alternative that also offers fantastic features. Product number 4, Great Ever Dry Snorkel Set. Next is the Great Ever Dry Snorkel Set, available for $29.99. This complete package includes a snorkeling mask and snorkel tube, which is fantastic if you want a ready-to-go option. If you want all the essentials without a hefty price tag, this set is worth checking out. It's rated 4.4 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews, reflecting its reliability and user satisfaction. The food-grade silicone material ensures a comfortable fit, which is important for longer snorkeling sessions. On the downside, some users found the mask a bit bulky. But honestly, if you're just starting out and looking for something simple and effective, this set can still be a great choice. This is perfect for families or casual snorkelers who want a complete package. Skip it if you're an advanced diver looking for something professional grade. For the price, it offers excellent value. Alright, that set was a great option. But if you're looking for something specifically tailored for younger snorkelers, the final product might catch your eye. Product number 5. Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask Dark Blue. Last up is another version of the Great Ever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask, this time in dark blue, priced at $28.36. If you're looking for a stylish alternative without compromising on performance, this is worth your attention. It has all the great features of the original G2, including the dual-pane design for anti-fogging and a comfortable fit for a range of face shapes. The removable camera mount is a nice touch for those who want to capture their snorkeling adventures. With a similar rating to its counterpart at 4.5 stars from 15,500 reviews, it delivers on quality. However, some buyers noted that it may not suit larger face sizes as well. But here's the thing. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish mask for casual snorkeling, this is a fantastic pick without a huge investment. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mask that looks great. Skip it if you have a larger face or if you need something specifically designed for serious diving. For the features and design, it's a solid value. So to recap, the Chingsong offers a great view and comfort, the Seaview focuses on easy breathing, the Great Ever G2 is budget-friendly and stylish, the Great Ever Dry Snorkel set is perfect for families, and the Dark Blue G2 is a stylish alternative for casual users. Each mask has its strengths, so it really comes down to your personal needs. Happy snorkeling!